So over here, you can see that I have a gallery ready right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here, you can see that I have a bunch of pictures right here. So let's say what I want to do now is export out the web files so that I can save it in my computer and later upload it to my own website. So to do that, over here, you can see under the web module, you got the export option right here. So once you go ahead and click right here, then what happens is that you get to choose the place on where you want to export it. So I'm just going to go around over here onto my TutorTube drive right here. So let's just go around over here onto my TutorTube drive and then around over here. Let me just go ahead and then create out let's say, for example, a new folder right here. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new folder and call it web gallery right here, just like this. Let me just go ahead and then double click inside right here. And in the file name, I'm going to go ahead and say gallery right here, just like this. And I'm going to click on save. So once you do that, what happens is that it simply updates the web gallery, as you can see. And then what happens is that it exports out the files, the HTML files that I can upload onto a server as needed. So over here, if I were to go around onto my drive right here, you can see the web gallery right here, just like this. So if I were to go around over here under gallery, just like this, then this is what you have. As you can see, you got the web gallery out right here, just like this. So now what I can simply do is, let's say, for example, open it out with a browser of my choice. So I'm just going to open that out with Chrome. Let's say, for example, and then I have my gallery opened up right here, just like this. And you can see that this is my web gallery right here, which is exported right here. So you got all of the images right here, just like this. If I were to go around, you can see that I got all of the contents right here and everything in this particular folder right here. It has been exported out, as you can see, just like this. And that is how you can go ahead and export out gallery files from Lightroom web module. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.